get into these brows. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way contour, not contour, concealer. Y'all, I am so excited about doing my makeup because I'm like super, I'm over the whole quarantine. I'm like, oh, over. You see, I'm just wiping down. I'm just wiping down to drag the concealer down. This is my first time using this concealer. I've used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation before, but this would be my very first time using the concealer. I heard nothing but good things, so I'm excited to come back with my intake. Well, not even necessarily come back for it, because I can tell you how it applies, but far as long, is it lasting, is it creasing, all that type of good stuff, I can come back for that. But I'm gonna get these brows snatched, you know. I'm gonna bring this all the way over because this look I'm going for. And I'm proud of myself because I'm not gonna cheat. Like, this is the look that I did today. I did this look today, so I should know exactly what I did. So we're gonna play around in some colors to recreate. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Set and define. We're gonna define this arch up here. We're not going anywhere, okay? I'm bringing that color back like it never left. I'm trying to get out of being this very private person, just my natural me. I'm gonna start being very transparent about things. I want to be able to talk to you all and just share my experience, because your girl is 28 years old, but been through the most, I feel like, anyway. And I can help someone with what I experienced. I know it's a lot of stuff I experienced that I wanted to be able to go on YouTube and just see if there was somebody else going through the same thing I went through. So I'm going to try to be that person for somebody else. But I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I got married October 2018. It's gonna be 2 years for us. Oh, I love that man. Yeah, and so no children. My husband is Devereaux Williams. He's a musician. We have a Benji. He's 2 years old. Oh my God, Benji's 2 years old. We getting old. Yep, so Benji's 2. And we love him so much. He acts like a child. I think he thinks he's a child. Apply for my first apartment. I was afraid. I was so scared. Like, I called my mom and I'm like, Mom, what if they deny me? Just scared of rejection, right? We get there, huh? I'm just scared of rejection. It's not like that no is gonna hurt you. It's just gonna hurt your ego, right? Like, just scared. I'm like, oh gosh, I don't want them to tell me no. I need this apartment. I need to get out of my mom's house. I need it. But it was a beautiful experience because my mom, that lady is clutch. She was like, baby, scared? Why are you scared? They're looking for you. Like, these people are searching for people just like you. This is your first time. You have no reason to be afraid. I was like, you know what? You right. Went in there, even tried to negotiate. Your girl was geeked. Your girl was ready. Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Ain't nobody gonna check me, right? But it was super. It was such a great experience. But it reminds me, when I think about stuff and I'm afraid, when I get afraid, I always think about my apartment. I'm like, I was so afraid to apply. So just depending on the lash, you want to make sure that you size them. And sizing them is actually cutting them to your eyes. Like measure, like I have this lash, right? And I'm going to start from the end to the front. And the best way to do this, I'm gonna put my adhesive on here, but the best way to, what works best for me is looking down. That's the key. So here, I would actually bring this down underneath me, and I'll just do one. So here, if you're looking down, just look down. It's a lot easier to see exactly where you're putting that lash. And it works best if you let that glue go ahead and dry down. That way you don't have to worry about it lifting up. These are super bold, and I love them. And I think they're perfect with this look, period. So that's it. There we go. That's a done deal. Wrap. That's a wrap. Just that easy. You just laying them on top. But if you put this mirror underneath like this where you're looking down, this is key. Super key, okay? And we are in the house, okay? So let's get into it. Like, this is the fun part. We're done with the hard part. Fun part is foundation. The only thing I can say that I think I remember about this foundation is that it gets oily. Like, I'm very oily. So the last thing I want for my foundation is to be extremely oily. And this here is it's not very matte. It's a soft matte, I would say. And I don't want to look like a grease ball by the end of the day, midday. So I'm gonna give this one another review as well, to see if maybe they switched it up over time, because it's been a minute. It's been a minute for me. I tried it as soon as it first came out, so it was pretty cool. But I'm excited about teaching you all that lash trick. If you all did not know, is key. It's key. This concealer, and it's the perfect shade, right? It's the perfect shade. Sit down and dry down a little. Go ahead and fan myself to let it go. Just let it dry down. Yes. Look at that contour. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if it's gonna work with us. Okay, that's not that bad. But yeah, so BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, y'all. It was everything, right? But I have a story about that palette. So I will never forget when I first started off. I don't know about y'all, but when I first started off, your girl made a fool of herself, okay? A fool. Like, my eyeshadow, my eyebrows, they were just not it, okay? Not it. They were not it. And I would never forget, I stopped wearing eyeshadow for a while because I worked at this store as a cashier. And this lady was like, I guess she was upset. She was upset about something, and I was laughing because she was upset at another cashier, and I was laughing like I could not even stop laughing. Like, she was just hilarious, and she was like, "What are you laughing at with that ugly eyeshadow on your eyes?" And I was like, The nerves. The nerves, y'all. I stopped wearing eyeshadow though for a while. I was just like, oh my God, is it ugly? Like, is it ugly? And I stopped wearing it for a while. And then I started back wearing it because I'm like, girl, let me see. You, sweetie, why would I let you get me upset? Okay? Like, no. What we're not going to do is that. We're not going to do it, period. So, yeah. I started back wearing my eyeshadow. I know she had me livid. I was livid. But it was funny. She did try me. She did. She tried me, y'all. I got to give it to her. Gotta give it to her. She did it. She did. But I started with eyeshadow. And then I just did not stop. Went out to college. When I graduated high school, that's when I started modeling. I went out to college and started to do my friends, my family members, classmates. My best friend at the time, baby, she let me play on her face a lot of times. Oh, shout out to you. Shout out to you, girl. Like, it was a very good experience. Like, I just didn't give up. And I look at it now and I'm like, thank God I did not give up on makeup. Because I promise you, makeup to me, I love makeup. Like, and if I didn't have to work for it, like if I didn't have to put a price to it, I wouldn't. Like, I love making women feel good about themselves. I love seeing a woman come in at her lowest. And sometimes some women come in very confident, but I do have clients that come in not feeling their best. Like, and just get makeup just because they had a bad month or a bad year or a bad day. And so just to see the look on their faces when they all get up and feeling boosted up and confident and can't nobody stop them, I be like, thank God, you know, thank God for using these hands for real, because it get real out here. And makeup to me is bigger than makeup. Like right now, I did not feel, just being transparent, I did not feel like doing anything. Like, I had to get myself in this mood to record, to do my makeup, to do my hair, to go purchase this sweater because I feel like I just needed something new. I needed something new. So it's like, I'm just trying to get myself in this mood. And now that I'm here, like I'm right here with this sweater on, with this hair on, yes, it's with this makeup, I'm like, Bianca, I'm thankful. I'm thankful that I did do it because I'm like, it looks good. I feel good now. Like, I feel good. This is a look. This is a vibe. This is all of that, okay? Yes, this is it. Who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me, baby? Who? No, you're not. Yeah, you know what? I'm going somewhere because it's still light outside. Who gonna check me? Who's gonna stop me, buddy? Who's gonna stop me? Nobody, right? Nobody's gonna stop me. It's a look, guys. It's a look. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's a look.